the end zone, chasing that one down as
Trevon Gauno.
He helped me climb the ladder. La 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 la. I remember all them days. We wasn't a fact.
Down behind the end zone, chasing
Certain situations make a man wanna get back in. They tell they sleep on me, I just get the flashing. Most of y'all boy not real, man. Y'all just acting. You don't gotta love me, bitch. I bet I get established. It be your own people that hate on you, man. They nasty. Every time you go broke, man, they show you you don't matter. That's why I just pray, cause them demons go attack you. Hard times make people great, man, this shit get better. Hard times make people hate, man, this shit get better. I remember when I fell down, now I climb the ladder. Never where people go hate, man, this shit better. People be talking, cause when that smoke come, they need backup. Every time they hate it, I got mad and fucked the racks up. Most of y'all boys not killers, y'all just need y'all racks up. How you call yourself a demon but need backup? Real gorillas step by they self, ain't no need for backup. Most of y'all boys not killers, y'all just need y'all racks up. Why you gotta hate? Man, let's come together. It don't matter what you go through, stand tall and keep your head up. They ain't want me when I was down now. I got my bread up. That bitch left me on red now. She tryna give me head. Man, it's crazy how this money fuck a woman head up. Mo's down the drain cause he got no bread. These are situations that make me scared. The love I'm scared from. These are situations that make me scared. The love I'm scared from. These days it feel like this money worth more than love. I'm scared. These days it feel like this money worth more than love. I'm scared. I know you pray for better days, but you still ain't changed your ways. How you expect for God to bless you if you keep doing the same old things? Same thing you never had. You gotta do things you never done. That's different things. Don't take this life shit for a game, or you can find yourself lost, fucked up in pain. Life's not a game. Never stop, never give up, man. Just keep going. Shit get annoying when people try and lie about their story. I call them the pretend killers, men who want attention, so they label theyself a killer. When in reality they a sofa as a pillow. Ain't no guns in jail, they get exposed with no pistol. If you can't knife fight, then that reaper come and get you. I call them the pretend killers. People who talk about drills but never been with them. They carry a gun for a fashion statement, they a pretend killer. Now they stuck in jail lying, saying they a killer, when in reality he just got caught with a pistol. But when you meet a real killer, your whole body go shiver, chills down your spine. I know you feel them spirits, you trigger. You boys gotta be careful of the image y'all portray before them demons come get you. I know you pray for better days, but you still ain't changed your ways. How do you expect for God to bless you if you keep doing the same old things? To obtain things you never had, you gotta do things you never done. There's different things. Don't take this life shit for a game. Or you could find yourself lost, fucked up in pain. Life's not a game. You gotta strengthen your mind. You gotta strengthen your mind. The devil's playground is too much time. You gotta take your time to change your mind. It don't happen overnight. You gotta stay consistent in what you do to find your sight. You know times get tight, but it's alright. When you ask for your blessing, make sure you ask him, are you ready? Make sure you ask for the wisdom to maintain your blessing. You gotta make sure you ready. Y'all could give up on me, count me out, but I still would never fall. That's why I stay close, cause one wrong word and I'ma beat you down, you go need a pole. I got anger problems, sometimes I lose control. That's why I stay close, cause I be losing my temper and wanna put hands, feet in.